Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on the general. So I'm just going to show you the chords real fast, and then we'll do the fills in between. So you got an A sharp major. It's going to be a bar chord. Lots of bar chords, so I apologize for the, you're going to have to be squeezing a lot. Got to get that good grip. So you got pointer finger right here, and then bar these. So that's the first chord. It's an A sharp major, and then you got right here. So you're going to go down to an F major. C minor. And then a G minor. And then you got way up here, which is a D sharp major. And then you've got an A sharp major, which is the same as the first chord. You're just doing it down here now. And then go all the way back down to that F. And that's pretty much the chords for the majority of the song. You got a little chromatic walk up in the beginning, so it goes. And then. So that's the first little fill. And then. So you're going to slide with your ring finger to the 5th fret of the A string, hammer on, pull off very quickly on the D string from 3 to 5, and then you got right here, back to here, back to this note, and then you got your pointer finger right here where you're going to slide down, and then right here, and then you're going to slide back up, and that turns into the chord. So it goes. And then you got 1-3 on the E and 1-3 on the A. And then you do the minor chord right here, the C minor, and take that all the way up to here. So again, in slow motion it goes. Later in the song, it goes a little chromatic walk up, and you're going to just kind of bar the bottom 3 strings. So it's just going to be a G minor. So again, it goes. And then you got this. So that's pointer finger, ring finger, 1 and 3, and then walk back down on the E string. And that's going to be an F major. And then it kind of pauses for a second and goes. It just kind of starts over. Besides that, it's just doing the same chord progression for pretty much the whole thing. If you haven't heard this song before, it's a great song. It's called The General by Dispatch, and the lyrics are incredible. It's got a good message in the song. There's no need to be violent, and there's no need to fight anyone. It's not worth it. But anyways, good luck, sir. Good luck.